Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Samsung TV. We will cover the most popular and effective ways to get your phone's content onto the big screen. Whether you want to share photos, watch videos, or simply mirror your display, this guide will help you choose the best method. We'll look at both wireless and wired solutions, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each process. Let's get started. For a convenient wireless experience, Samsung's Smart View is an excellent option. First, make sure your phone and Samsung television are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, simply swipe down from the top of your phone screen to access the quick panel, find and tap the Smart View icon, and select your television. Your phone screen will then appear on your television, perfect for sharing content without any cables. Personalizing your design is where Canva truly shines. Once your home design is complete, it's time to share and implement your vision. You can download your finished design in various high-resolution image formats, such as PNG or JPG, ensuring clarity. Easily share your design directly with family members for their input or with contractors to communicate your plans effectively. Printing your design provides a tangible guide, making your home improvement project much smoother and more organized from start to finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.